gente, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. I have not shown my face on my channel in so long because all I've been doing is nail content, but today is different because your girl bought a house. Okay, I'm speechless. I cannot believe I bought a house. I am so excited. I am truly blessed to be in this position to do this. I've been trying to buy a house for so long. When I tell you so long, years, okay, but it has never worked out in my favor, and I think it's because God was protecting me, you know, and basically telling me, girl, have patience, I got you, it will all work out when it's supposed to. When I tell you, this whole entire process went by so smoothly. I saw the house, I signed the paperwork, and literally 30 days later, I'm in the house. So I closed September 8th. And the funny thing is, when I came to see this house with my realtor, this other guy was coming with his realtor, and my realtor was like, she's buying this house. And he was like, oh, you're buying it? I'm like, yes, I am buying this house. Okay, this is my house. And from that day on, I signed the paperwork and everything worked out. And a quick little background, I used to be in the military, so I traveled and lived everywhere. But as an adult, I have never lived in the East Coast. I've been in the West Coast for over 10 years, like probably like, what, 12, 15 years? I don't even know, but it's been a very long time. I have never lived in the East Coast as an adult. I'm near my family where I could just literally hop in the car and go see them. And I love that for me because I've been away from them for so long. I'm just excited to see what the East Coast has in store for me. So if you're interested in this semi-empty house tour, then keep on watching. Now, keep in mind, like I said, I've been in the house for a couple days. There's nothing in here, and whatever is in here, it looks a hot mess, but I'm still gonna share the journey with you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be a lot more hauls and DIYs and clean with me. So if you're into that content, then keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So this is a overview of the kitchen. It's like a L-shaped kitchen. She's super cute. She has all the colors that I wanted as far as cabinets. It has white cabinets with silver finishing. All my appliances are electric, so I don't have to worry about gas. And I love this little area. This is probably gonna be like a little coffee matcha area. And this is my pantry. And then I have a laundry room here, which right now is like my catch-all because, as you guys know, I just moved. So I've been buying a lot of stuff for the house, but this is gonna be where my washer and dryer is gonna go. And yeah, you guys, like, this kitchen is super cute. There goes my lower cabinets with my washer, well, my dishwasher. This is the oven, pretty standard appliances. And I will be doing a haul showing you some of the new things that I have purchased for the home. This is the guest bathroom. As you can tell, there's nothing in here just because I just moved. But yeah, it's just a pretty standard bathroom. So this is the guest bedroom. This is where all my friends, when they come visit me, are gonna be staying. I cannot wait to decorate her. Super cute. It's a, you know, standard room, nice and square. So I cannot wait. Have the bed over there, a cute little nightstand, do something with the walls, and just make my guests feel like they're at home. Not for too long now because they gotta go home, but you know what I mean. This is my living room. She's pretty big. Do not mind the boxes. Like I said, I just moved into the house. My gorgeous lawn chairs, that's what I'm using right now. But yeah, this is the living room. She is humongous. I'm thinking about doing, you know, a TV, maybe like a little fireplace down here, the couch over here, a mirror, some plants or something. But yeah, I have some really cute and cool ideas for the living room. Okay, so this will be my office. Right now, she's kind of ghettofied because I work from home, but I don't have any furniture. So this is the office. This is the closet where I'm going to be putting all my equipment to film my YouTube videos and everything. So this is going to be like my office slash filming studio where I'll be creating a lot of nail content, a lot of beauty videos. So I cannot wait to decorate her. Let me know, send me some links, some ideas of what I should do because they're pretty, you know, it's pretty bare in here. I want some color. I want it to be girly and super cute. So yeah, that's my office. Okay, so this is my master. I love the ceiling, and you guys, my bed just got delivered. So that's the blow-up mattress. This is the mattress that just got delivered. It needs to expand. So she's just sitting there waiting. I have to wait 48 hours before I can use it. But yeah, the master bedroom is huge, okay? And then we're gonna go this way to the master bathroom. And the master bathroom, the closet is inside the master. So this is me. This is where I'll be getting ready. This is the master closet. There's stuff everywhere because I'm unpacking and trying to organize. But these are where I keep my shoes. So it's a really nice size walk-in closet, perfect enough for me to grow. And then on this side is the essentials, the shower right here with all my stuff, and the toilet. So yeah, the master bedroom and the ensuite is super big. I love them. Like I said, I love these finishes. The counters have like these little red specks on it, which I think is super cute. And it has the same finishes as the kitchen. So they have the same cabinets. You guys, there goes my semi-empty house tour. Thank you so much for sticking around. Let me know what I should do with some of these rooms. Give me some ideas, like I said previously. And stay tuned for more content, more house content, more DIYs, and of course, more house hauls. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.